What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything tastes better with Casper. Okay, today I want to talk about one simple thing: the biggest opportunity you have in front of your life. I mean, the biggest opportunity you have in front of your eyes. I'm sorry. So, because like many people, seems like once they see the market bleeding, everybody starts to run. It's like, oh, let me try to save as much as I can. I'm losing. I'm doing this and that. Yeah, there are ways to do it. There are ways to do this so that at the end of it all, you come out winning. You understand? You come out winning, and that is what we do in this My Millionaire journey. Okay, we try to gain every day. Okay, be it with your 9 to 5, be it with leverage trading, or as the opportunity presents itself, you buy more coins on the spot. But before we talk about this, let's check on the market, see how the coins that we are trading in this millionaire journey, to see how they are performing. Okay, because like I'm telling you guys, this dump is almost over. Okay, it's almost over. Like I keep showing you the charts, I keep showing you the prices, keep showing you the movements. This dump is over. So let's go ahead and start with the crypto bubbles. There you go. Crypto bubbles. As you can see, for the past day, it's a mixture. It's been a mixture of some coins performing good, others performing really bad. I mean, like, it's I don't know. Layer 0, for example, I know, and ZK Zinc, these two, they have a lot of drama going on with their airdrops and people not being happy with how they did things. I myself including, I'm included into those that I'm not happy how they did things. So that is why they're seeing all this, a lot of backlash online and in everywhere. People are just dumping them. Okay, so you have Fetch AI. Fetch AI is probably doing really good this morning, and you have other coins. But let's look at the ones that we're dealing with, which is the King Casper itself. As you can see, King Casper right here is beginning to make moves. Just like I told you guys, Casper is beginning to make moves. Yes, since almost 2 days right now. 2 days, because if you go back on my videos, you will see exactly what I told you is going to happen. It's exactly what's happening. So let me go to Trading View right quick and show you. Okay, Trading View, we are going to start with Casper. If you guys remember yesterday, this is on the 4 hour. Let me go on the 1 hourly. On the 1 hour, there we go. We go on 1 hour. Now we'll zoom out just a little bit, bring out my arrow to be able to point easily. You guys remember yesterday we came out and I told you guys, this resistance line, I had it drawn for a while now. I had it drawn, and this is a very hard shell to crack for Casper. Once we get above it, we have blue skies. But until we do that, Casper is going to keep fighting it until we get there. But like you can see yesterday, I told you guys, we were going to break above the EMA. Okay, break above the EMA, and we're going to come back to test this support. I mean, this resistance. This resistance will probably break above it and form into support, then go test the moving average, or we could get rejected. As you can see, just exactly what happened. We got rejected, came back. Now we are trying again. We're gonna go back again, retest it. From retesting it, see if we can break it this time. Once we break it, we will go try the moving average. If we go above the moving average, that will send us up to try the all-time high at 19.20 cents. Okay, but a lot of people don't seem to think that this is going to happen, because they think like, oh, the whole market is bearish. For me, let me see. A lot of people think the whole market is bearish. To me, I think Casper is holding very, very good. because Casper did not break down to 10 cents like most people thought it would do. And I kept telling you guys, Casper is not going that low. I don't think you are going to see Casper go lower than the prices we are looking at right now, because there's a lot of bullish momentum for Casper coming on. We have the KRC20, we have the, you know, that will bring along the stable coins, the projects, the meme coins. There is a lot, and also the migration is almost completed. Okay, the migration is almost done for, which means we only got 5% or so. I think I will show you the numbers in a moment, but let's go back to the charts. That way you can see it. This thing is done. It's done. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna take you to let's see, on the weekly. Okay, if you go on the weekly, or first let's check the daily. See, this is what I'm trying to tell guys. This right here tells you everything you need to know. A lot of guys think, a lot of people are always targeting. What they are targeting is like they think Casper is gonna go back to this this lower resistance or support that I had right here. And I'm telling you guys, if you can look at this candle right here, this candle came all the way, tested the same resistance and support, and got bought right back up. And if you can look at the ribbon, look at the ribbon. The ribbon is beginning to curve. We are about to get the ribbon on the daily to begin to curve, to go upwards. Okay, that means we're going to go back to retest this. So that being said, let me take you to another different chart. Okay, let me take you to a different chart, which I have right here on my Bydfi. We'll talk about my positions in a moment, but I just want you to see the chart, because the RSI, okay, both the RSI and the MACD, they are showing a different story. Like I tell you guys, this thing is almost done for. Okay, it's almost ready to go. So right here, as you can see, we do have I will go back on the, let me go on the daily. Let me check the daily. This is the daily chart. See, do you guys see what I'm seeing? Look at that. That's the RSI, flat on the ground, about to start moving. Okay, and you can also see another thing right here. If you look, see closer, you will see that the MACD is switching, is changing colors already. See, this is on the daily. You have the RSI flat on the ground, the MACD changing colors. So this means price is about to start going. As a matter of fact, look at the candles. See the candles? Candles already switching to green. So like I'm telling guys, like this is done. The price that was going downwards is done. If we go, let's go to the weekly. Let me check, take you to the weekly. On the weekly, this is where a lot of people are having issues with. Like you tell guys, like, nah, don't believe what people are telling you, because Casper is done. It's ready to start taking that that leg up. Okay, Casper is ready to start taking that leg up. Look at the weekly. Okay, again, what I like to show you guys is the RSI and the MACD. Look at that. We're still 70.79 on the RSI. See, 70.79, which is still bullish. So that tells you that this thing is about to pop up. Okay, now let's go, and I will show you right now the next coin that we are also trading in this my millionaire journey, which is Quant, QNT. Let's take the chart here for Quant right now. So on the weekly, okay, again, look at the MACD and look at the RSI, all flat on the ground. This thing is extremely oversold, extremely, very extremely oversold. And I've been telling guys this for the past 3-4 days, almost a week now. Like guys, Quant is about to start to move. And the problem with Quant is, like, people don't realize, not just Quant, any crypto, when it goes sideways for a while, when it blows above, when the price action begins, it usually be very explosive. Okay, very explosive. And that's what I'm trying to tell guys, like, get ready. This opportunity, you are not going to have it twice, okay? Because quant is about to run. Like, when I mean run, I mean run big time. Let's look at quant on the trading view right quick. Let's look at quant on trading view, QNT. Here we go, quantum Binance. Here we're about to take this on the, let's start with the lower time frame, which is on the hourly. There. Yesterday, if you do remember my video yesterday, like I told you guys, what we are doing is trying to fight this moving ribbon. But the price manipulation, unfortunately, with Bitcoin is what is affecting quant. If you remember yesterday, we broke above, okay? Look at this. This is where we started. We broke above it and we were chugging along. As you can see, we went above. Price manipulation, somebody tried to sell and now everything got bought back up. Look at the color of the ribbon. The ribbon has swapped to green, which means price action is about to go up. Our next target to quant is going to be facing this moving average at $80 or $81. That's where we're going. If you check my videos yesterday, that's what I told you guys that is going to happen. So I am not worried about quant right now. Instead, I am accumulating. Okay, I got my leverage position, which I'm gonna show you in a minute, which is on my Bydfi long-term trades, and I will also show you my short-term trades on Phemex, and I'll tell you exactly what I did right there. But as you can see, I'm telling you guys, quant is moving. It's about to go. Look at that. If you can see, we are breaking. Look at the ribbon. The ribbon is beginning to curve. Okay, we are into the ribbon right now. We are going to try to break above it, retest it, and then go up there to retest the moving average. On quant is ready to pop. Okay, all the news coming up, I'm telling you guys, all this news about the projects. Let's see, project Enbridge is live. I keep repeating myself on this. Okay, project Rosalind is live. Project is like, we're about to get the stablecoin approved this month, and by August, I'm telling you guys, the projects like quant staking, because like it or not, these banks are gonna have to stake quant for them to use the overledger technology, and that is what is gonna make quant to blow out of this world. And the price action, I'm telling you guys, this is not going to come as a surprise to me, but it might come as a surprise to most of you. Quant is going to go from this $100 level all the way up to $1,000 in a record time. And a lot of you who are out there who are not following are going to miss this boat. Okay, you are going to miss this boat. So, like I'm saying, this is an opportunity. Do not look at everybody else. I'm giving you, it's not financial advice. I am giving you the picks that will take you from zero to millionaire status. Like I said, everything I do, I show you my receipts. I do not tell you one thing and then do another thing. No, I always chase the things that I know will help me, my position, grow harder. Now it's up to you. It's your money anyways. It's not financial advice. You can do whatever you like. If you want to follow me, do it. That's great. At the end of the bull run or towards the end of the bull run, we will compare our notes to see where we are on this journey. So now, that being said about quant, let's go look at Jasmine. Jasmine is the little one. Jasmine, I think, is a little bit bearish right now. Jasmine, we're looking at the price action forming that bull flag on the weekly. We're looking at Jasmine to probably come down to 2.5 cents. Either 2.6 or 2.5 cents. That is why my short-term trade, I took profits. Actually, I closed them completely, and I used the profits to scale up my Casper trade, because on the short term, I think Casper is about to run to 20, 25, or even 30 cents, or even higher with the implementation of these smart contracts and all these projects that are about to launch. So that's what I did. So instead of just sitting on it on the Jasmine short-term trade, I closed it and I used those profits to scale up my Casper trades. So now, like I said, I'm always transparent with you guys. I show you guys my trades. I show you my wins, my losses, everything. So let's go to my Bydfi right quick, and I'll show you exactly what's going on my long-term trades. These trades I plan to keep open. Like I always say, I plan to keep open till the top of the bull run, or as close as to the top of the bull run as possible, because nobody knows where the top of the bull run is going to be. Now, as you can see, this is my long-term trades. You guys see right here. As you can see, a lot of you who have been following my channel, you know I was up like almost 35,000. I'm down 23,000, and I'm not worried about it, because like I said, this thing is about to take off, and we're about to see this thing come back again. So as you can see on my contracts, here we go. Quant, I told you guys Quant is moving. A lot of people don't believe me, but as you can see, I am up on Quant. I'm up 8%. 8%. And I'm telling you guys, this thing will make you a lot of money. Simple as that, because right now we're at 70 something cents, 78 cents. If Quant goes to $100, this position will make me almost $2,000. Look at that right here, right there, almost $2,000. By the time Quant hit the all-time high, which is around $400, I believe, this position will make me almost $24,000. But like I'm telling you guys, I am very bullish on Quant, and I think this season Quant could hit almost $5,000 or even higher if things go right. So at $5,000, we are looking at this position making me $350,000. That's, I'm telling you guys, I don't have to sit over here and tell you guys. Go do your research, and you will understand why I am so bullish on Quant. Okay, the next one is Ondo Finance. Ondo Finance, my position is up 37%. Those of you who remember, you know I told you guys, for Ondo, we're using Ondo Finance to make exchange fees. That way you don't have to use your own money anymore. You use the house money to make the money you need for the trading. Okay, yesterday, if you do remember, my Ondo Finance, I had a profit of almost $1,000, if you do remember. So I took profits on Ondo Finance, okay, and I scaled the same Ondo up. If you remember, my position was like $900 or something like that. So but my position now, as you can see, is up 1,300. 1,300. I am aiming at Ondo. Like I said, I know Ondo is going up to probably $1.50 or $2. So there is where I'm going to take my next profit, because at $1.50, my profit, it will make me another $1,000, and I can take some profits off the table to scale up some other positions that I have open. Or it depends on how the market is going. If by the time it hits that $2, this position will make me almost 2,100 here. So I can take position. I can also take profits out of this and scale other positions that I have open. Now, Jasmine. I told you guys, Jasmine, to me, Jasmine was looking bearish, okay? Jasmine looking bearish because of the following. Let me take you to the trades right quick on Jasmine before we continue. Okay, let's go here. I need to open up Jasmine. Okay, here. This is why I'm telling you guys that Jasmine looks a little bearish. Look at that. Here we are on the 4 hour. I'm gonna start by going on the weekly. Let's go over the weekly. I want to wait for the weekly to reset. See, this is what I'm telling you guys, because the MACD and the RSI, they're a little bit high. Look at that. It's about to flip. It's about the weekly. The MACD is about to, the RSI is about to flip, and you see the MACD facing downwards. That's what the price is also telling you right now. Look at that. Price is dropping too. So that is why I close my position on my short term, not on my long term, guys. My short term, not on my long term. The reason is the following. Look at Jasmine. My liquidation point It's almost zero. It's at zero because I scaled it up too much. I do have like I tell you guys, you use Ondo Finance to scale up. I scale up my position on Jasmine right here to 4,200. So it dropped my liquidation way low. Unless Jasmine goes to zero, I have nothing to worry about. Even despite the price action that is dropping, my Jasmine, I am still up 45%, almost $2,000. So that I'm not worried about it. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm gonna let it ride until the top of the bull run or closer to the top as possible. Now let's go to the king itself, Casper. Okay, guys, like I'm looking at Casper right now. How do I move this thing here? Oh, I better let me use the app. The app is easier. This thing is on my way. So look at Casper. My Casper, my position, I have $8,200 because like I said, I scaled it up. Okay, I scaled it up. My liquidation is way low to 3 cents, so I don't worry about how low the price drop. I don't think Casper will ever go to 3 cents again. So you can see I am up 35%, which is almost $3,000. The reason I'm telling you guys, because get ready, Casper, we're about to hit that 20 cents. Okay, look at this. Look at this. On my long term, like I told you guys, I believe Casper will go to $10. That's why I already have my take profit at $10. Sorry about that. On the long term, like I said, I believe as a Casper Maxi, Casper will go to $10. That's why I already have my take profit at $10. But there is opportunity coming on. This trade right now, by the time Casper hits that 20 cents, it will make me almost $8,400 US. You understand? By the time we hit 25 cents, this thing will make me almost 13,400. Now, look at this. By the time we hit 30 cents, this thing will make me almost $18,000. Okay? So this is the opportunity I'm telling you guys. It's one of a lifetime. Even if you just buy your coins on the spot, that has nothing to do with my long term. Because this long term right now at $10, by the time this thing hit $10, I'm almost going to count in almost $1 million on this trade. But it is what it is, guys. Listen. Here. Do not be afraid. Okay, don't be afraid to trade right now. Don't be afraid. I do not condone leverage trading unless you know what you're doing. If you do know, okay, you can use the links below for my Phemex and my Bydfi. If you do, open up a trade, get the bonuses. Bydfi is offering probably $3,000 or something like that. I'm afraid I can't remember offhand right now. Or Phemex. Now, then you can either follow me, follow somebody else, or do you. Either way, the whole point here is for you to make money on this thing. But if you don't, please do not use leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you will lose your money. You will lose your money. Trust me when I tell you that you will lose your money. So that being said, now let me show you what I did on my short-term trades. I already showed you the charts on Jasmine. That looks very bearish to me until we hit that 2.5 cents or 2.6 cents. I think bearish is gonna Jasmine is gonna look bearish, and because of that, what I did is that I closed my short-term trades on Phemex and I scaled up my Casper trades. Okay, let me show you Phemex. Let's go to Phemex right now. Right here. Open up. Okay, those of you who remember, my my Phemex total amount was almost 7,300, but due to those manipulation that is happening, that is why you see that my total dropped to 6,300, almost $1,000 less. But here, this is what I did. If you do remember, my Casper trade, my total here was almost 2,600. You do remember that? So what I did, I closed my Jasmine and I double up on my Casper. Now my Casper trade is up 5,100. Now the reason is because, look at this, okay? This trade right now, by the time the Casper hits that 20 cents, I will have almost $2,000 in profits, okay? I will be $2,000 in profit right there. You can see it. So like I said, this ecosystem is going to make Casper grow even more. Let's just say by the time it hit 30 cents, this trade alone, okay, this trade alone will make me $6,000. You see what I'm saying? So there is a short-term opportunity more than in Jasmine until Jasmine flips, and I will keep you guys updated until it flips. When it flips, then I will open another trade again on Jasmine for the short term to try to catch those gains. Okay, so guys, that is something that people are not looking at. Most people are busy trying to look at the overall market, what is happening, what's going on, and blah blah blah. But I'm telling you guys, Casper, Quant, Jasmine, these coins are about to make you a lot of money. Now let's go back to the subject of today. The biggest opportunity is right in front of your eyes. I'm probably one of the only YouTubers covering quants right now, because like I say, I see the potential. I see it right now. Quant is about to run. Everything is pointing at upside potential. Okay, a lot of people, they were celebrating the Bitcoin ETF, and I do remember telling you guys, Bitcoin ETF is good for those who have positions before the ETF came live. I do remember that. Now, the price manipulation that is happening right now with Bitcoin is actually because of the Bitcoin ETF. Go look at the BlackRock inflows and outflows on the ETF when it regards to Bitcoin. Look at everybody that got approved. You see the outflows and look at the inflows. That's why they are selling Bitcoins. They are selling it like, oh my goodness. You look at, actually go look. Okay, I don't have enough time. I would have uploaded it right here to show you the pages. Those of you who do have a Glassnode, go look on it. You will see that there is a lot of selling pressure on Bitcoin. All this ETF, they are manipulating the points, the price, because they're trying to drop it down to probably $60,000. From $60,000, so they can buy it back in, drive the price back up, and then repeat the same thing. That's what is happening. And unfortunately, all the altcoins, they all follow the Bitcoin price, unfortunately. So fasten your belts for those of you holding Bitcoin, including myself, because I hold Bitcoin. So one thing difference, okay, let's go here with Casper. Let me go right quick on the Casper page right now. Let me refresh. Okay, as you can see, we're still trading at almost $3.5 billion. 24 hours volume is $37 million. But what I want to show you guys is this migration. See, migration was almost 5 or 6% left, which means sooner or later, very soon, we are about to see this thing at 100%. At 100%, that's what we're about to see. And another thing I want to show you guys is always this: addresses holding more than 10,000 Caspers. 91,000 people. Okay, 91,000 people. Again, like I said, okay, go here again. Like I always say, just buy 10,000 Caspers. That's all you need. Just 10,000 Casper. That will change your life. This red market happening right now is an opportunity that I recommend you don't let go. Get ready, put in your leverage positions, okay, scale that trade up, that way your liquidation drops. It might be red at first, but it will take off. Okay, or if you're too scared or you don't know how to leverage trade, buy the coins on spot. Okay, buy them on spot, and then you start just watch it grow from 14 cents to 20 cents, from 20 to 30 cents. You will see, because this ETF bloodbath that is going on, manipulating Bitcoin price up and down, for us in this millionaire journey is an opportunity of a lifetime that like I said, you do not want to miss. You don't want to miss. I showed you my receipts and I showed you exactly where this thing is going. That being said, guys, please subscribe. Okay, we're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay, Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, comment, okay, share this video so that a lot of people on this millionaire journey can also join us, and at the end of the bull run and in a lifetime, because this friendship we make today is not just for one bull run, it's a lifetime friendship that we can compare our notes, we can share ideas, and we can see how we went from zero to millionaire status. That being said, thank you for watching my videos. Be safe out there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.